Case Blabag Rope and Racing Transport number moving up elusive. Cut Nadia outside there, Devil Royal Jewels Touch of Gold. And going along for the first turn, elusive Cut being joined by Daredevil. 2 lengths back is Royal Jewels Touch of Gold friends for number. Into the back they travel, it's now Daredevil. Leads the pack by triple double length, followed by elusive Cut. 2 lengths back, Royal Jewels Touch of Gold on the outside of friends for number. Down the half mile they travel, Daredevil leads by length, followed by elusive Cut. Royal Jewels coming close now in third, friends for number and Touch of Gold. Inside the last 600, it's still Daredevil and elusive Cut. Royal Jewels now the outside. Inside the last 400, Daredevil hanging on with a neck leader. And Royal Jewels now the outside. What about elusive Cut as they swing for home with Royal Jewels now for the outside. Leads by half a length. Elusive Cut is running in, second running in, third Daredevil, friends for number Touch of Gold, and finally Royal Jewels. Elusive Cut, Daredevil, friends for number and Touch of Gold.